and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Money cleared for developmental works in Navali siphoned off. Works of 46 crore rupees shown on paper but non-existent on ground. CM takes strong dig at Churchill Alemao in Navali. Let legal mining start. Let Supreme Court probe and start legal operations, says Claude Alvarez in a debate on mining in Panji. Harish Milwani says keeping legal mines closed is an injustice. Michael Lobo elected as North Goa BJP President. Subhash Phaldessai, South Goa President. State Party President to be elected at the end of November. Goa trailed Jammu and Kashmir by 290 runs. Phaldessai and Swapnil Asnodkar make a cautious start. 8-wicket partnership of 146 runs boosts Jammu and Kashmir. And defending champions Dempo Sports Club on top with a victory over Shillong Lajong. Ruiji Sioka scores 2 goals. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Parrikar has made a sensational revelation that 46 crore rupees sanctioned for works in Navali was siphoned off. While taking a strong dig at Churchill Alemao, CM said that the works were shown on paper but never executed in reality. He has kept bills for Navali and Benauli on hold. Financial grant of 10 crores is allotted to KTC to purchase new buses. He was speaking during his visit in Navali on Saturday.
Manohar Parrikar visited Navelim constituency to know the grievances of the people and to check developmental works in the constituency. According to Parrikar, 46 crores were allotted for developmental works in Navelim, but to his utter shock, there was no such work visible. Parrikar also said that some PWD engineers will be behind bars for illegality.
जी गजाल म्हाका लक्षात अशी आयली की ह्या भागात पैसे जे खर्च जाले PWD कडच्यान बिलां आमीच पे केल्या हांवेनूच अजून पर्यंत डिविजन 6 हॅज पेड 46 crores लास्ट 6 months आनी 20 crores आर पेंडींग बिल्स. हांवें सगळी नावेलीची आनी माणावलीची बिलां थाराय म्हणल्या कारण आय एम सस्पेक्टिंग दॅट मेनी ऑफ देम आर बोगस बिकॉज वेन आय मूव्ड अराउंड आय सॉ नथिंग.
He also informed about the financial grants to KTC to purchase new buses.
Slowly improve जाता. आता बशी दिता आमकां दिल्या पयशे का एडवान्स म्हणून की 60 बशींचे येयल्या एडवान्स म्हणून तांकां ते तरी म्हाका दिसता 50-60 बशींचे आसा. आय डोंट नो 5.85 कितें मागलेलें तांच्यांनी हय फॉर इनिशियल पेमेंट फॉर द चॅसीस. मागीर बांदून घेतकच तांकां आनीक 30% के लागता म्हणजे 10 कोटीचे ते 10 कोटीन कितले पयशे 12 लाख 12 हे आसता 70-80 बशी येतल्यो 10 कोटी ताका इन शॉर्ट 10 कोटीचे बशी घे म्हणून सांगल्या.
Speaking to media, Parrikar sarcastically said that he can win even if he contests from Marga constituency in Salset.
हांव सालसेतान कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी उबो रावत जाल्यार निवडून येवंक शकता. बऱ्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मडगांव येवंक शकता. अनेक भागान उबो रावत जाल्यार करूं. I am quite popular in Salset.
Manohar Parrikar had some light moments with Navalkas and distributed sports kits to the clubs in Navelim. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Staunch anti-mining activist Claude Alvarez has stated that he will have no problem if legally valid mines resume their operations. He said Supreme Court is sensitive about mining-dependent people. He also clarified that even if mining resumes, it won't be on earlier scale. On the other hand, mine owner Harish Milwani stated that keeping legal mines closed is an injustice. They were speaking during special debate organized on the occasion of book release of Raju Naik.
I have absolutely no difficulty if mining is restarted, but it cannot be started in the way it has gone on in the last 5-6 years. There is no way. That's why I am saying it is unrealistic to think that mining of 45 million tons, 55 million tons is usable. It is unrealistic to think. Some mining will start. As I said, Supreme Court is also very much conscious that people are dependent, some people are dependent on mining, some people are put investment. And therefore, we should not put them into difficulty. Some people are doing proper legal mining. If the environment is being taken care of, there is no difficulty.
As चुक फिलॉसॉफी म्हाका नाका म्हाका जाय फाल्यां म्हाका जेवण मेळटलें काय ना इतकें कितें
various popular schemes which are initiated this year, it should immediately abandon them so that money could be diverted to the mining department immediately.
Bharatiya Janata Party MLAs were elected unopposed as district president of the party. Michael Lobo from North Goa and Subhash Phaldessai from South Goa. Nearly 3,27,000 party members elected their representatives through 1,400 booths. State party president election will be held by the end of November.
State President of the BJP and Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that BJP is the only party where party wing members are elected unopposed.
म्हाका याद जाता 10-15 वर्सां पयलीं जेव्हा आम्ही दावो करेन की आमची निवडणूक बुथापासून प्रदेश अध्यक्षापर्यंत एकमतान जाली तेव्हा विरोधक टोमणे मारताले एकमतान जावपाक जाला कितें तुमच्याकडे कॉन्टेस्ट करणारो दुसरो आसाच कोण आज म्हाका सांगपाक अभिमान दिसता की आम्ही अशा स्तराचेर आसान ज्या काळान ह्या राज्यात सगळ्यात जास्त मेंबरशिप जर कोणी केली आसात जाल्यार भारतीय जनता पक्षान आणि ह्याच महिन्याच्या अखेरी पयली प्रदेशाची निवडणूकही करूंक जाय.
Speaking on the occasion, South Goa District President Subhash Phaldessai, who is also Sangam MLA, said party will help common people to avail government schemes.
फोकस पॉइंट आसतलो की प्रत्येक कुटुंबाची आर्थिक व्यवस्था जी आसा आर्थिक परिस्थिती आसा स्टँडर्ड ऑफ लिव्हिंग आसा ते वयर काडपा खातीर सरकाराच्यो ज्यो स्किमी आसात त्यो फक्त श्रीमंता पुरते मर्यादित न उरता तळागाळांतल्या लोकां कडेन पावोवपा खातीर आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांची एक फळी निर्माण करपाचें हें ध्येय पयलें आसा.
North Goa President and Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo said he will work to strengthen the party.
Bharatiya Janata Party recognizes the real workers जे पार्टीचे काम करता सकलासून जे वयर येता तेंका एकूच पार्टी हा नॅशनल पार्टी ती आमची भारतीय जनता पार्टी आणि आज जे म्हाका रेकॉग्निशन दिला इट इज अ आय ओपनर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू.
Election for the post of party state president is likely to be held by the end of November. Reporter Mahesh Gadi and Mayur Naik with video journalist Sushant Paul.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.